Hi everybody! Just want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from me, Annette and Gus.
And from Gus, yeah. And I'm really, truly grateful for all of your support. And it's been quite a difficult year for us this year, hasn't it?
Yeah, lots going on, lots of ups, highs and lows.
And yeah, we're kind of glad to see the back of 2025 for various reasons, and we're really looking forward to 2026. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us. We really appreciate it. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you next year.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Ciao for now.
Bye, guys.
Say bye. Bye.
Oh, bring it.
Hey. Gus. Bye.
Come here now.